What's the difference between clickbait and a lead magnet? So I just talked about lead magnets in the other video. Go back and watch it. If you don't want to watch the whole thing, watch at least the first half of it. A lead magnet is something that people offer you in return for your email address. So it's a little bit of value. It's an ebook, a PDF. It's something that's it's a list. It's something that's going to give you a little bit of value, a little bit of information to help you get a little bit closer to your goals. Something that's going to make you think that this person has what you need, that they're sharing valuable information with you, and that this is where you should follow, like, stick around, whatever. You're going to enter your email address and boom, you are on someone's email list. So now they can retarget you. So they've caught you with that lead magnet, and now they can go back and send you the information via email multiple times in hopes that you will click on something and you will purchase, or you will subscribe, or you will do whatever it is that they're trying to get you to do, because it takes people multiple times of seeing something before they will actually invest in it. Usually the lead magnets are free. So that's what a lead magnet is. What's the difference between that and clickbait? Clickbait is something to simply just get you to click on a video. Click on a video, click on a page, click on whatever it is. They're trying to just simply get you to that spot, to see the video, to hear what they have to say, to go to a blog post, to go to anything that they want you to direct their traffic to. So they want you to be part of the traffic that goes to that website, that goes to that video. They want you there. There they might offer you the lead magnet. The clickbait is to try to get you there. The lead magnet is to try to catch you once you're there. If you want more information, stick around and follow. I am not here to offer you lead magnets or to collect your email address. I am here to give you all the information I wish I had when I was trying to find a way to make money online. If you want to know if this is legit, click the link or copy and paste, and all you will see is me direct you to possibly my YouTube channel, which I'm not making money on right now, or to Legendary Marketer's 15-day challenge, and that's the best place to start. And then I did invest in the business blueprints, and I think you need to know way more than you think you do when you want to make money online, because it is not as easy as everyone makes it look.